Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to link Zego with Deliveroo. First, open the Zego app on your phone. Next, go to the Use section. From there, tap on Work Providers. Then, select Link Account. You'll see a list of providers. Choose Deliveroo. Accept the terms and conditions. Then, enter your Deliveroo account details. Tap Confirm to continue. The linking process may take up to 30 minutes. Once it's complete, you'll see that your Zego account is successfully linked to Deliveroo. And that's it. That's how to link Zego with Deliveroo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.